In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a diagram to your presentation slides. Whether you're looking to break down a process, depict a timeline, or simply jazz up your slide deck, adding a diagram is a fantastic way to visually communicate your ideas. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open up your presentation and navigate to the slide where you envision your diagram fitting in. Maybe it's a slide that's looking a bit bare, or perhaps it's one where you've already laid out some points that you want to visually enhance. Whatever the case, once you're on the right slide, you'll be all set to bring your ideas to life. Next, you want to look up at the top menu of your screen. Here, you'll spot a range of options that let you add all sorts of creative elements to your slide. But today, we're particularly interested in making this slide pop with a diagram. So, hover over to the menu and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Diagram. And just like magic, you'll see a new panel opening up on the right side of your screen. This panel is your toolbox for designing just the right kind of diagram for your needs. Take a moment to explore the various categories available. Whether you're explaining a process, setting up a hierarchy, planning out a timeline, showing relationships, or illustrating a cycle, there's something here for every occasion. You can also specify the number of levels or steps you'd like your diagram to have, along with different color schemes to match your design aesthetic or brand colors. Once you find a diagram style that suits your presentation, give it a click. It'll drop straight into your slide, instantly transforming the look and feel of your content. Now comes the fun part: customizing it to fit your narrative. To edit the content of your diagram, simply click on any text box within it. You'll notice that the placeholder text is highlighted, and you can immediately start replacing it with your own words. This is where you get to make the diagram uniquely yours, capturing the essence of the information you wish to convey. Feel free to rearrange, resize, and even recolor the shapes to better align with your overall presentation design. For those who want to take it a step further, additional tools are at your disposal. You can use other slide features, such as inserting shapes, lines, and connectors. These elements can help you reinforce the relationships between different parts of the diagram. And if you need to organize your design more meticulously, you might consider grouping or ungrouping certain elements, giving you greater control over your slide's layout. And there you have it, a thoughtfully designed, easily digestible diagram that not only enhances understanding, but also elevates the professionalism of your presentation. Enjoy giving your slides that extra edge.